What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have this 2023 Bronco Raptor here at the shop. Now, what are we gonna be doing to this Bronco Raptor? Well, we got a set of 2-inch lift springs from Hyperco, front and rear, along with, we are gonna be switching out the wheels. Now, currently he has some RTR wheels. Well, we're gonna be switching out a set of Mayhem wheels in a 17x9 -6 offset. And we will be reusing these 39-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. So guys, now that you know what the plan is, let's get this Bronco in the shop and let's start wrenching. Well guys, there you have it. The Bronco Raptor is all wrapped up. We have the Hyperco 2-inch lift springs installed all the way around on all 4 corners, along with the brand new Mayhem wheels in a 17x9. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you thought about it, or if you had a Bronco, how would you build it? And subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.